Hey everyone, welcome to the first portion of our final demo. Here I'm going to talk about the basic list functionality as well as recipes and list creation. We'll start by signing up for a new account. And after creating a new account, you're brought to the landing page. We have our active list table, which shows the active list name as well as a share button where you could share your list with other users and the number of items in the list. We'll go into my first list where you can see that we have section headers that are stores and items underneath with quantities and a checkbox. You can add a new store if you want. You could also add items beneath the store. You can edit item quantity as well as item descriptions or store name. You could also delete items or delete entire stores. When you delete a store, it confirms that you actually want to delete all the items underneath as well. You can check off items or filter by unpurchased. And once all the items in a list have been purchased, it's no longer in the active list table, but it's been moved to old lists. Here you can edit your old list and delete them if you only want to save certain ones. If we were to create a new list, you'll see that we can start from scratch. An old list, my first list is here, for example, or a recipe. We'll go my first list and make my second list. If we were to go into our recipes and look at picnic here, we see it has 5 items. We'll add a new item to picnic. You could also add stores in a similar manner that you would have in a list. In this case, we don't want the store. Hitting submit would bring you back to the landing page. We'll go into weekly groceries, and you'll see here that we can import a recipe. Picnic has 6 items, and once you pick picnic, you get to select the items that you want to exclude. We don't want ketchup and mustard in this case, so they will be excluded when we import. You confirm your selection, and you'll notice that since the recipe was at Martin's, they were added to the existing section of the list. If you had a long section such as this and you wanted to collapse it, you can do so. If you were shopping at Walmart, for example, go to the unpurchased and not worry about the Martin section, but the items are still there. Hi, welcome to the second portion of our app demonstration where we'll overview the shared functionality. So on the right-hand side here, I have our demo final account, and on the left, I'm logged in on B. Hogan account. So if I wanted to share weekly grocery, I would simply type in the username, and it would show that it has successfully been shared. On the left, you see that the list has been populated. If I wanted to share with the demo final account, which is already an owner, it would throw an error. If B. Hogan were to delete the list by mistake, he would be removed from the user table, and you could once again share with the same account. Now, if we were to go into the weekly grocery list still, we see that we have our items, and if I were to make changes on one of the lists, it would be reflected in both. Say one user was shopping, you see the changes reflected on the right-hand side. This list is in performance mode, so everything is being refreshed on a 1-second timer. Explains the slight delay here. But if we were to launch the same list in energy saver mode, this would be on a 10-second timer. So you sacrifice some immediacy in terms of seeing the updates with network efficiency in energy saver mode. So making the same change here, we'll see a slight delay in energy saver mode. still populates. Energy saver mode is primarily intended for cases where you know that you're the only user that's on the app, or if you're shopping in the store on behalf of the group. Once again, if all items in the list became checked off, the list would then be marked as complete, and in the case of both users, it is no longer in the active list. You'll find weekly groceries in the old list. This feature allows multiple users to collaborate on a single list, and there's no limit to the number of users that can collaborate.